guys, this is 11th March, and this is summary for today. I mean, what I have learned today is that like today was like a very fun experience. Actually, I I just felt that I'm so weak on rejection and handling rejection, and I just like react in different way. Like for example, root cause is that what happened was that I got a bad rating for one of the work that I did, and it was incorrect, and it should not got to. But the guy didn't read it all the way, so it was um, like an injustice to me, and I just felt this rage to me. Like I just wanna like get it out no matter what, and it can't be undone. So like the reality is that it can't change. Once it's done, it's done. The mistake is that, so they acknowledge. I can share it, but that's it, done. There's nothing you can do. But my reaction to that thing was like very epic, and it got me thinking that why it's coming, and it's basically that I feel that if I get a bad rating, or if I do something bad, then society will not accept me. And that was just that, and it's about making mistakes. Like it's just like it's like this perfection mindset that I can't make mistake. If I make mistake, then that's horrible, and that's like the worst thing that happened to me. And I was like, this is like not good stuff. I wouldn't say not good stuff, but it's just like I need to be able to work with feeling that also. So the issue is not that I'm feeling bad or something, that I'm feeling bad that I didn't do my best, or I will feel bad or something. The issue is that while feeling that, I should also be able to do other things. Like this kind of stuff is gonna happen, and so basically it's just about managing state at that time, managing your action at that time. And this comes same thing. This is that same thing in pickup also. Like when I go out, I just try to open, and I just get stuck, and I am not able to do it. And it just goes to this like this rejection thing, that I'm not able to take a honest rejection, and then on any reaction, not honest or dishonest also. And I just got this feeling that get me outside of my whatever I was doing. So that was an amazing experience, and that got me thinking, what if it was like that, and then what will I get by just reacting that way? I wouldn't get anything. The good way is that I can just acknowledge, accept it, and I can also share. Sharing is different way. I don't have to feel this weird thing in me and just like propel me to like give same rating to someone else. The scrutinizes like very well, but I did got someone bad. I did give someone bad rating. It was not good work, so that's why. But I think I should be able to. I will change for 3. I'll become like the big guy over here. I'll just the rating that I need to give is like 2, but I'll just give 3 for that time, and I should not become the other person who just gave me this thing. So and these are like small stuff. It just like builds up, and it just makes whole personality, and it just comes in everywhere, like in pickup and in everything. But I just realized it, and I just was working on it. That's it. But anyway, I'm going to end now. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.